Today I took two trades on ES. We're gonna go over why I took these two trades and why my reasoning for being bearish was today. So today I took my first trade here at 1018. This was a fair value gap entry after we swept these lows here, breaking structure, and the target was weekly lows. And then after we got stopped out in that trade, the second idea was another continuation trade from this 15-minute for value gap, breaking structure for value gap, entering on that trade, targeting the weekly low, the weekly high of the for value gap here. So we'll just go over the 15-minute for value gap here. If we can get to it. So right there, we have a volume imbalance on this 15-minute for value gap here. So we have to include it. So after we entered here at 10, that's when we took our first trade and then we got stopped out, entered again here, looking for a continuation down to this weekly for value gap high. So if we go on the weekly and see, this is where we formed our bias. So week of August 3rd, we traded up, took this high there. And then last week, we took the high here, but then we closed below it. So as soon as I saw this, I was expecting us to have a larger first red day of the week. So this is where my bias was derived. Since my bias came from the weekly, I was looking for us to trade to the weekly high of this for value gap. As you can see, we didn't get there in the session, but then right now it's 11:48 at night, and we did trade down quite aggressively in Asia session. So if I just go to like the 15-minute, we can see this is where the market closed, and then we came back down here. So admittedly today, after I took my first trade, which was at 1018 here, I did blow 3 off my funded accounts, my eval accounts. And yeah, just it is what it is. Can't say it sucks because it's part of the business anyways. And then I took this trade here and it was for 6.2 R, but I had a -1, so they ended up at about averaged out about 5.1 R. Um, but prior to this trade here, I had been negative 5.5 R, so this made me negative 6.5 R, and yeah, quite a bit of losing there, but made it back partially here. And yeah, but the nice thing about this is all my trades were assistant trades, and rather lose doing your system because then you can find tweaks and changes than just sporadically doing random things. Now you can find a constant in anything that you do and then pinpoint the actual problems that you're having with your trading. So yeah, I'm really proud of today, and I don't think I'll be doing much trading this week as I am busy with other life stuff, but yeah, I'll probably be on a demo and then still do my reviews at the end of the day. But yeah, so it was a good day, and yeah, good luck and good trading.